You have just started your business and you have a brand new website in place. Now you're wondering how to get traffic on the website. Is it that you need to write a lot of articles on your website? Or is that you need to have a huge fan base on social media to get people to come to your website from social media? What is it that you need to do? Well, if these are the questions in your mind too, then this video series is for you. Hello friends, this is Nidhi Singh and welcome to my brand new video series where we will be talking about SEO 101. We are going to cover Google search engine and we will be talking about how to optimize your website to appear on Google search results. Gone are the days when it was really easy to rank on Google. I think it was over a decade ago when you could just create a website, write articles, and you could rank on Google because of course competition was low. Not many people were creating a lot of content, so it was much easier to rank on Google. Now the algorithm of Google have matured a lot. You need to do a lot of on-page optimization, off-page optimization, create quality content, have keyword integration, have domain authority, whatnot. But worry not. In this video series for beginners, we are going to talk about how you should get started with your SEO for website for Google search result in 2020. In this first video, we are going to talk about setting up a launch pad for your website so that you have all the right tools in place, tools like Google Search Console, Keyword Planner, Analytics. If you're using WordPress, maybe Yoast Plugin. So in this video, we will talk about everything that you need to do for setting up your website to start ranking on Google. Let's start one by one. The first thing that we are going to talk about is Google Search Console. Now, what is Google Search Console? Google Search Console is a free tool provided by Google. By signing up or by integrating Google Search Console with your website, you would be able to see what keywords your website is ranking for. So if suppose Nidhi Singh has a website and I have articles on what I do about digital marketing, then Google Search Console will tell me how many searches my website is getting from keyword Nidhi Singh if I am writing articles on my website by my name. So Google Search Console talks about keywords, impressions, number of impressions a particular keyword is getting, and what is the click-through rate from Google's main home page to your website. So for example, if you are a site like Big Basket and you are selling vegetables, then your website will have pages or blog articles with keywords like fresh fruits, fresh vegetables, healthy protein diet, etc. And these are gonna be the keywords that will reflect in your Google Search Console. So Google Search Console will tell you how many times you're ranking for any particular keyword. So it will talk about the impressions that you're receiving for a keyword like healthy fruits or high protein diets. And it will not only tell you, say for example, you are ranking for a keyword called fresh fruits. So Google Search Console will tell you what is the total number of impressions that you're getting in a month for the keyword fresh fruits. For example, you're getting 1,000 impressions, then it will also tell you on seeing those 1,000 impressions how many people actually clicked through the landing page that ranked for fresh fruits. So it will also tell you that say 100 people out of 1,000 impressions clicked through that particular keyword. And actually you can see this data month on month. So if you're working on SEO for your website, you would be able to see that fresh fruits was ranking at rank number 10 in the first month. In second month it came to rank number 2. In third month it came to rank number 1. So you can actually track the progress, and if something goes bad and you suddenly stop ranking for that particular keyword, Google Search Console will help you out by telling you that your rankings have dropped and maybe you need to update your meta descriptions or tags, etc. So well, that's about importance of Google Search Console and what kind of data you get on Google Search Console. Another and the second most important tool that you need to set up is Google Analytics. So while now you know that you have a setup to know what keywords are being ranked on Google, you need to know what these people are doing on your website when they come through those keywords. So people clicked on fresh fruits link on the Google search page, they came to your website. Where did they go? What did they do? So say for example, Google Analytics will tell you information like these. How many people are coming to your website? Say 1,000 people are coming to your website, and out of those 1,000 people, 500 people are coming directly to your home page. From home page, where do they go? What pages do they visit? How much time do they spend? Do they spend some time, or do they just bounce away? If they spend some time, then what do they do? Do they add to the cart, or do they click on some buttons? Do they not click on some important buttons or like call to actions like add to cart or no more? Then you need to optimize your website for those things. So these are the details that you will get on this tool, this free tool called as Google Analytics. Google Analytics is super popular and widely used, and it is super helpful for marketers to understand how the traffic on your website is performing, what they're doing, what they're not doing, and optimize your website as per the business requirement. So that's why Google Analytics is another important tool that you need to have active on your website. You just need to add some pixels to start tracking both the tools, yeah, these are the two tools. Third tool, these two setups are just for tracking the traffic that is coming from what keywords people are clicking on Google search, and when they click and come to your website, what do they do? This is covered here. And now we need to know what kind of content should I create. Okay, I have created fresh fruits, content on fresh fruits, but what else do I need to write on? So that's something Google Keyword Planner will tell us. Google Keyword Planner is a tool. You have to again set it up. When you log on for your Google AdWords account, you would be able to set up Keyword Planner. Actually, you would be able to use Keyword Planner, and you can just go to Keyword Planner, type some broad keywords and see what keywords have higher volume. So maybe you come up with during summertime, maybe you will find that searches on mangoes are increasing, and maybe Alfonso as a mango is having a lot of searches. So it would be very apt to create a product page maybe, or an article on Alfonso mango, so that you start getting traffic that this keyword is getting. Now, how to do that? We'll talk about it. You need to pick some keywords around the keyword Alfonso mango. These keywords would be called semantic searches that happen around that keyword. So maybe you will include keywords like fruits, because mango is a kind of fruit. Maybe you will talk about fresh mango. Maybe you will talk about other summer fruits and these kind of keywords which come under semantic searches, and then you will create a nice long article. We will talk about in detail what is the process of creating that article or a blog page in order to rank on Google, but that's the purpose of Keyword Planner, and hence you need to have it. Another tool which, if you are using a WordPress site, is super useful is Yoast Plugin. So Yoast Plugin could be really handy for you guys. Yoast Plugin is like it's like an enabler. Yoast makes it easy for you to manage your title, tags, descriptions, meta descriptions, what kind of images you want to show on social media, what kind of indexing you want, whether you want to index your archive or not, what keywords you want to set as a focus keywords, etc. So that's about Yoast Plugin. With this, we cover all the four tools that are very important for your website. So Stay tuned for the second video in this series, and comment down below and let me know what else do you want me to cover in this series. That's all for now. Bye bye.